Hi guys, my name is Mohammed Shahzad and you're watching my YouTube channel Skill Set with Shahzad. Today we are going to do one lab which is called HSRP. It's a standby router when we have end devices and we want two routers to involve for the gateway, and if one router is down, second should take over the gateway. So let's configure and then we do some experiments on that. So we will do in our switch, we will have one switch here. Second, we will do one, and then we will have a second PC. Okay, and then we will have two routers. Router 0, router 1, and then next router is our ISP. I'll not go on that one, but I would like to configure this one also if there is. But our main focus area is this one, where we have two PCs, and then these PCs, basically our test will be on these two PCs and these two routers for HSRP. Let's configure. First, I will try to add one serial here. Then here I will involve a serial. Here also we can add a serial. Anyway, let's configure this guy here, this guy here, and then this guy fast to 1, and then here fast 1 to here, and then between these two we have this one and this one. And next we can add serial to here, serial 0, and then serial 1 to here, serial 0. Okay, so let's have some network diagrams, and we will have HSRP diagram. Our focus is these two PCs, and we will have IPs here. Let's make it 192.168.1.1. Oops. 192.168.1.1, and this is 2, and this port will be 252, and this port will be 253, and our virtual IP will be 254. Okay, so this is our virtual IP. Okay, so this is the virtual IP. Okay, and instead of giving this gateway, these gateways, our virtual IP will be gateway for this computer and for this computer, because if we give this one, if this goes down, this is fully down, and these cannot go to their ISPs. So this is our virtual IP will be the gateway for these two. Let's configure. In the desktop, we'll go 1, IP address is this, and gateway will be 254. Similarly, this guy, desktop here 2, and gateway will be 254. Okay, and let's configure this router. We'll make it R1. This is R2. Okay, let's go on R1 and configure conf t. Sorry. Okay, so going for the domain. Let's do it. Wait for. It will take time a little. Okay, enter conf t. Host name will change R1. Interface fast 0/0. IP address 192.168.1.252. 0, no shut. And then interface fast 0/1 IP address. There is another one. This is between these two, so we'll bring it another here. 1, 2. Here is 1.1.1.1. Here is 1.1.1.2. Here is 2.1.1.1, and here is 2.1.1.2. So these are the networks. We'll configure. Let's go. IP address 10.10.10.1. No shut. And then one serial number 0 IP address 1.1.1.1. no shut. Copy, run, start. Okay, our configuration is saved on this PC. Let's verify. Show IP interface brief. Okay, we have 3 ports configured. Router host is configured. Let's go for this guy. Enable conf t host name R2 interface fast 0/0 IP address 192.168.1.253 0 no shut. Then interface fast 0/1 IP address .2.255.255.255.0, which is this network. Now I'm configuring this link. Enter. No shut. This is up. Okay, and now let's configure this serial. Interface serial 1/0 IP address 2.1.1.1.2 0 no shut. Exit, copy, run, start, and our configuration is saved. Let's configure this guy. Enable conf t. We will give host name ISP. Interface serial 1/0 IP address 1.1.1.2 0 clock rate 64000 no shut. Interface serial 1/1 IP address address is 2.1.1.0 0 0, no shut, exit, copy, run, start, conf interface serial 1/0, clock rate 64000, no shut. Okay, copy, run, start. Anyway, this is not the focus area. This area is not focused. We will go to mostly, okay, our like we can say our unfocused area is this. Major focus is on this area below 1. Okay, so I'll remove this one. Rectangle. Okay, so guys, right now if I enable this one, our one of the PC, I'll bring this one here and I will say IP config. See, this PC have IP address, then it has subnet mask, and it has a gateway. Let's see, ping the gateway. It will not, because this virtual IP we haven't configured yet for HSRP. Which is hot standby routing protocol. So because it's not configured, and let's see the neighbor, which is his neighbor, second colleague is pinging, because both are connected to this lattice 2 switch and they are pingable. It's obviously they will ping. Now what I will do, I will put continuous ping here, -t. It will go continuous ping. Let's configure this guy, HSRP. I will bring this one also so you can see the reaction on the side. Okay, so virtual IP will be configured on this link because this is connected to this switch, which will be fast Ethernet 0/0. So what we will do, conf t interface fast 0/0, and here we will say standby. Here we will choose a group number. I will say group 1, and then we will choose virtual IP, enable HSRP and set the virtual IP. So we will say IP, and then we will give the IP address, which is our virtual IP, which is this one. We will say 192.168.1.254, and after that command is complete, and I will do hit enter, and immediately you will see after the hitting enter I will give you some wait, and let's see what's happening. And on the other hand, you can see our workstation still continuously pinging. I want you to see some seeking log here for HSRP. When it is performed, it will give us some logs here, and after the logs it will start this one will get the virtual IP and it will start pinging. Still waiting. See, now you can see HSRP6 Ethernet 0/1 group 1 state speak standby, and fast Ethernet group 1 state standby is active, and you can see our virtual IP is pinging, and we have the ping reply from the gateway. Right? So this is in this side, and we can see, I will go exit, and we'll say show standby brief. you can see it's saying interface is this, group is 1, my priority is 100, I am in active state, and active is local, but I don't have any information regarding standby. Who is standby? I don't know, because we haven't configured the other router yet. And he's saying my virtual IP is this. Okay, so if we say show standby only, okay, enter. If you see here some information, state is active, 6 states change, last state change this time, virtual IP is this, and active virtual MAC address is this, local virtual MAC address is this, and hello timings are this, and next sent is like this. So standby router don't know, but router local is active in the group, priority is 100, and group name is HSRP, and on this its interface is working. Okay, so we will go again into the brief, and let's go to the second switch. This one is here, and I want you to see that the second switch. Let's configure configuration T interface fast 0/0 standby group 1 IP 192.168.1.254, same IP we will give, enter. Let's see if this guy, the second guy, is taking over and the ping is lost or no. Okay, so here is the ping. This is the router 1, router 2. Okay, there is a message, group 1 state speaks standby only, no active, because this is gone into standby. We'll go write memory, copy, run config, or write memory, both are same. Show standby brief. You can see this is the second router, group 1 priority also same, and standby is state is standby, this router is on standby, and active router the IP address is 254, and standby local, I am local this router, and it's saying I'm standby, and our virtual IP is this. And here you can see now we have, before it was unknown, now it has information regarding the standby. He's saying this group is this, priority is same, I am the active and I'm local, my state is active, and standby switch router IP is this, and the virtual IP is this. Okay, what I will do, another test, I will increase the priority and I will do preempt command, which will forcefully make this one as a router active. Right now state is standby, here is active. Let's see, and you will see pings are lost and ping is changed to another state. Let's do it. Conf T interface fast 0/0 standby group 1, and now we will say priority, and the priority range is 0 to 255, and we know the default priority is 100, so I will make it 1 0 like 5 priority. My command is complete, and I will hit, and I will do standby 1 preempt, enter. Now you will see now, see, immediately this router took over the state from standby to active, and see one packet loss, and immediately second router gonna give the main path for the routing. So always we can force, and this router also said I'm back to standby state, and here is saved from standby to active. So if we see, go back, whenever this router is alive, it will be primary. Now it's saying my state is active. I'm the local active, and this one is this, and my priority is 105. Here he's saying my state is standby. I'm local standby. My priority is 100 less, and I'm that one. So whenever, if we turn off this switch back, I will switch off this switch. See, suddenly these are down because this links are down. And let's see here some more logs. It was standby. It will back into, see, active, and here ping loss, and we will receive the ping from there. Right? Okay, for example, this switch is okay, repaired, maintenance is done, and we are gonna bring it back. I will do login. It will take over. Here, keep mind, this one is still active because the standby is down. It's booting up. Let's see. State is up. Show standby brief. Still unknown. Here is unknown. You will see this one will again take over. See, because the priority is high here and we give a preempt command, always should be this one first. This router back, automatically it will take the reply, and you can see it's active, unknown, virtual IP is here, and this one is standby, and see that it took over the ping. This one went back into standby. Okay guys, hopefully you guys understand. This is how we configure HSRP. We can make a separate groups for other two pairs, separate groups. So many groups you can make for separate networks. So this is the HSRP lab. Hopefully you guys enjoy the HSRP, and if you like my video, please do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. Take care. Again, before closing the video, I would like you to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.